To set up your Samsung Galaxy M17e is fairly simple. Start by switching on the phone. If you don't know how to do so, you're going to long press on the side button right here until you see the Samsung logo, and then the phone will be successfully turned on after a brief couple of seconds. From here, you'll be brought to the welcome screen. So all you need to do is simply select the language you wish to set up your phone in. So just tap on it like so. Then go ahead and select your preferred language and then tap on OK. Then go ahead and select Start, like so. From here, you need to agree to the end user license agreement as well as privacy policy, and then just go ahead and agree to go to the next step. Next, if you have another device that you would wish to use to set up your Galaxy, you can choose to do so. So whether it's a Galaxy or Android device or an iPhone or iPad. So you can go ahead and select any of those, or you can choose to set it up manually as its own individual device. From here, you then need to go ahead and choose a Wi-Fi network. So go ahead, enter in the password for your network, and then select connect. And once you do that, just tap on next to go on to the next step. Now wait for your phone to get ready. It may take a couple of minutes, so just wait patiently. Then from here, you can choose to copy apps and data. So you don't necessarily need to transfer everything, just select items. So you can tap on next to continue with that, or you can just skip and move on to the next step. Now from here, you will be prompted to sign into your Google account. You can choose to sign in, or you can choose to skip and do that later. And then you'll be prompted to protect your phone by creating a PIN, password, or pattern, as well as registering your fingerprints or Face ID. You can choose to do that, or you can choose to skip and do that later. Then from here, simply agree to the use of these Google services on your phone, and then wait for the next step to load. You'll now be prompted to log into your Samsung account. So you can choose to log in with your email, phone number, or QR code. If you don't have any of those created and you do want to create one right now, you can go ahead and select create account. If you've forgotten your details, you have those options available. Or you can just choose to set it up later in settings at another date. So just confirm that you wish to skip. And then now agree to the Samsung service or legal information. And then just tap on agree. And then you can choose to enable or disable these Samsung services, which are auto block and customization service. Choose your display mode, whether it's light or dark. And then just wait a couple of moments. From here, it will give you recommended apps that it wants to install and update. So you can choose to just tap on next, or you can deselect them. It's completely up to you. And then tap on home to finish up the setup. So then you'll also be prompted to experience Samsung services. So you can tap on agree, and you can go ahead and experience any new Samsung services that are available. Then it should direct you to the home screen of your brand new Samsung Galaxy M17e. Thanks for watching. Stick around for more tutorials that I will be doing about this Samsung phone, and I'll see you guys in the next video.